get your scrawny ass out here! Hello? Hello? That's how I get my sister. Hello?
Sorry, couldn't do this. What?
Can you come do this?
Fix the Wii, you broke it.
Can you fix the Wii?
Unplug it. This happened.
I don't know what plug it is!
Can
This
you
happened once before.
fix
Dad unplugged it for half an hour and it worked after.
Wii?
Dad unplugged it for half an hour and it worked afterward.
Can you hear me? Thank you. My head is made of steel.
Do you wish? Thank
Gotta
you.
pay for what you get. Did you fix it? Did you want that chip? Fine, I'll eat it.
Trying to bite it open?
Hello? Did you fix the Wii?
The Wee Wee.
The Wii Wii?
We could always watch it on the Xbox.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm done.